Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming the essentials: phone unlocked, Outlook app installed, and your account signed in. Once done, make sure you can receive verification codes. This saves time. Open the Outlook app and tap your profile or settings icon to reach accounts. From there, select the Microsoft account you need. You're starting the process now so you can view stored credentials or trigger a password reset. Keep your device passcode handy in case the app asks for local confirmation. You navigate into Account Settings to locate password control. Tap Settings, then Accounts, and pick the Outlook Microsoft account. Once inside, choose Security or Password options. Many mobile apps won't show the current password, so you'll either view saved credentials via your phone's password manager or initiate a reset. If prompted, complete two-factor verification using SMS, email, or an authenticator app. This step is the core. Either reveal the stored password from the mobile keychain or create a new secure password using the provided flow. You complete the process by saving or entering the password. If you reset it, make sure to update the Outlook app and any connected devices immediately to avoid sync errors. Save the new password to your phone keychain or a password manager so you can access it later. If things go wrong, check two-factor settings, ensure a stable network, and use account recovery if you can't receive codes. If you still can't sign in, contact Microsoft support while keeping your recovery info ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.